In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game Iron Saga VS. So what we need to do is basically open our Google browser. After that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, go to the search bar and search for Steam. We need to locate that game on Steam first. And after that search for the game Iron Saga VS. As you can see, it is only available at Steam at the moment. So what you need to do is buy this game and add it to your cart. And once you have added it to your cart, then click on View Cart. Then you need to continue to payment. And once you have finished up the payment, then you can download this game into your game library on Steam. And you are able to play this game Iron Saga VS. So that is basically how you download and install this game. And I would like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!